Namaste everybody, welcome to my channel. If the sum of the first m terms of an AP be n and the sum of first n terms be m, then show that the sum of its first m plus n terms is minus m minus of m plus n. Let us start. Now they have given that Sm is equal to m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Sm is equal to n. So sum of m terms is equal to n is equal to m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Cross multiplying, then we'll get 2n is equal to m into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Now 2n is equal to, if we multiply m to both the terms, we'll get 2am plus m into m minus 1 into d, and we can take it as equation, and we can take this as equation 1. Now let us go for the next one, that is the sum of first n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn is equal to m. M is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Cross multiplying, 2m is equal to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Multiplying both the terms with n, 2m is equal to 2an plus n into n minus 1 into d. Now let us take this as equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. 2n is equal to 2am plus m into m minus 1 into d. Equation 2 is 2m is equal to 2an plus n into n minus 1 into d. Let us subtract, and the sign will change from plus to minus. We have 2n minus 2m is equal to 2am minus 2an plus m into m minus 1 into d minus this minus into n minus 1 into d. In these two factors, 2 is common, so we are left with n minus m in the bracket is equal to, in this 2a is common, we are left with m minus n in the bracket plus d is common here, so let us take out d as common. Then we will be having m into m minus 1 and multiplying with minus to this minus n into n minus 1. Now 2 into n minus m is equal to 2a into m minus n plus d into, multiplying with m to both the terms, m square minus m, then n into n is n square, then minus into minus is plus, n into 1 is n. 2 into n minus m is equal to 2a into m minus n plus d into, these two I'll combine together and put them together, m square minus n square minus m plus n. We can apply the identity m plus n into m minus n minus of m minus n. I have taken minus as common, then plus m minus n. Now 2 into n minus m is equal to, in these two terms, m plus n into m minus n minus m minus n is common. So let me take out that 2a into m minus n plus d into m minus n is common, and m plus n minus 1 will be left inside the bracket. Now in these two terms, m minus n is common, so let me take out that n minus m is equal to, m minus n is common into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now in this I'll take out minus as common, then we'll get plus m minus n is equal to m minus n into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into D. Now m minus n and m minus n can be cancelled from LHS and RHS, and we are having minus 2 is equal to 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into D. Let me take this as equation 3. Now sum of m plus n terms. They have asked us to show that sum of m plus n, first m plus n terms is equal to minus of m plus n. So m plus n, we can write it as m plus n by 2. That is, if it is n, Sn, then we will write on n by 2. But we have m plus n, hence we are writing m plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into D. Now S m plus n is equal to m plus n by 2, and 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into D is nothing but minus 2. So let me substitute that from 3. Now we can cancel these two, hence we are left with S m plus n is equal to multiplying with minus to these two terms and minus of m plus n. So we have proved it, hence proved. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.